Hi everyone, in this video I'm about to teach you how to create a Gmail account properly. Do you want a Gmail account that looks professional and stays secure? Let me show you the right way to create in less than 1 minute. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Google. Tap create account and choose for myself. Step 2. Enter your real first name and last name. Then choose a professional username that is easy to remember. Avoid random numbers and complicated names. Step 3. Create a strong password using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account from hackers. Step 4. Add your phone number for account recovery and extra security. This step is important in case you ever forgot your password. Step 5. Review all your information carefully, then tap next and follow the remaining instructions to complete the setup. Congratulations, you now have a secure Gmail account that you can use for school, job applications, YouTube, Google Drive, online learning, and much more. If this video helped you, save it for later and follow Smart Tech Hub for more tech tutorials, useful apps, and digital skills that make life easier.